I am saying there is no leader like Mr. Manohar Parrikar. Because I worked under Mr. Manohar Parrikar. The decision what he would take, no other chief ministers basically have taken such decisions. So as far as administration is concerned, Mr. Manohar Parrikar was excellent. I respect him for that. But in politics there is ups and downs and all the things. Maybe we had a love-hate relationship, but that's part of politics. I call it a love-hate relation because I still believe that Mr. Manohar Parrikar never forgave me for throwing his government. See, I never tried to contest against him.
Correct.
I don't know what would have been the outcome, that I cannot say right now.
But तुमचे conscientious हे आशिल्ले की ह्या मनशाच्या against fight करप ना.
See, I never wanted to take on Mr. Manohar Parrikar. That's the reason I said no. I said that as far as Panjim was concerned, Mr. Manohar Parrikar was number one. There's no dispute about that.
Many people are questioning that you are with the government, and when you are with the government, you are the chairman of Greater Panaji PDA.
Yeah.
So as even काही BJP वाले आरोप करतात की you took all the positions, benefits from the government, and today you are contesting against the same government.
No. See, listen to me. I was given this position as a party in Vijay's government. Vijay was holding a town and country planning portfolio, so he thought fit to give me a position. So that is how. BJP did not give me anything. So let us put this thing. I got this position through Vijay. That's it.
तुम्ही म्हणता की BJP तुमका कसलीच benefits दिले?
Definitely not.
We फक्त because you are part of GOA Forward and Alliance.
Definitely.
That was the reason.
That's the only reason.
BJP has not done any favors.
BJP has not done any favors to you. In fact, I did a favor by not contesting election last time.
So, but tell me one thing. Development, employment. आता ह्यो दोन्ही गजाली ज्यो आसात, you can implement them, you can take them forward only if you are in power. But you are contesting on a Congress ticket and Congress is in the opposition. So why should people believe you, and how are you going to make this possible?
Just wait till the 24th, no? I'm sure this government is not going to be there after the 24th.
So confident.
I'm 100% confident.
You are saying Congress will come to power on 24th May.
I am saying after 23rd, this government will not be in power. That is what I'm trying to say. And with confidence, I can say that.
Are you saying you will be instrumental in doing it?
No, I'm not saying instrumental. Automatically, things will happen, will fall in place. It is like a jigsaw puzzle. On 23rd, that puzzle will be in place.
You have a plan?
I don't have a plan, but things will happen.